Hi everyone, I'm Amy and welcome back to My Crafty Home. In today's video, we're gonna do 3 DIYs for the 4th of July. So let's go to the Dollar Tree, which is my favorite store. Why not go there? They have so many things for the holidays. And one, we're going to go to our local supermarket for some food ideas. So I figured out that we could do this little fun recipe, very festive. So what's a party without festive food? So let's go to the market and Dollar Tree and get those things started for the 4th of July. Also, if you're new to this channel, I would love it if you would subscribe. You'll get all of my latest videos, and also if you like the video, hit the like button. That helps my channel grow and you'll get to see more of my videos and we'll get to spend more time together. So thank you in advance, and well, now it's time to go to the stores. The Dollar Tree always has an enormous amount of flowers. You're going to want to pick up red, white, and blue flowers of your choice. Pick up 2 tissue packs. You want one pack of color and the other one just plain white. Now we're at the supermarket. We're going to get a pack of blueberries, and we're also going to get a pack of raspberries. One container of cream cheese frosting, and I want to get, oh, not that door, a little tub here of Cool Whip. This will make the frosting not so sugary and sweet. But I also need to get a package of sugar cookie dough. This will be for our big cookie. But I found a cookie that I can cheat. I found this already made. You can go ahead and make your own cookie, or you can do like me and cheat and find one that's already at the bakery, already completed. You'll need your 2 fruits. You can also get strawberries too. And I got my cream cheese frosting and my Cool Whip. Because this one was already decorated, what I'm going to do is just take off all the toppings. I am going to save those little stars for later. I'll show you what I'll do, but I'm just going to take off all of this and then I'll add my own topping. If you don't like the consistency of this, you don't have to use the Cool Whip, but I like to make it with the Cool Whip because it's less sweet. I'm cutting the raspberries in half. I thought it fit better. Now again, you can use strawberries if you like. If you don't like the raspberries worked well, and as you can see here, I kind of left the little blue open, but I'll get back around to filling that out. I'm just filling up my bag, my piping bag, up with the cream cheese and frosting mixture. As you can see there, I'm just using a little tip to decorate in between. I'm sorry for the footage here. I think we got a little bit too much of my elbow and my back, but I think you can get the idea, and it's coming along nicely, I think. Remember, I did buy the sugar cookie dough, so don't judge me. This is awful. I didn't have a little cookie cutter, so I went and copied this on my little printer and thought maybe I would just put this on and just cut around it. I don't know. It didn't do that bad, but obviously a cookie cutter would have been ideal. What do you think, guys? That star looks just a little sad, but honestly, remember those little pieces that I took off at the beginning? I just stuck those right in. Honestly, I think those look a ton better. For our next DIY, this is really cute, really easy. It's almost magical actually. So these here are our little scented beads. I like the red and the blue. Picked up these 3 round vases. Then the food coloring, you're just gonna need your red and a blue. I had these beads on hand, so I'm going to use those, but you're also going to need those clippers for the red, white, and blue flowers. Okay, so now that the flowers are all to size, I'm going to put in these beads. Now, the magical part of this is that the clear ones actually disappear when you put the water in. And you can see the little bit of blue and the little red when you do have the water in it. But the beads, you'll see the little sparkle beads. And I kind of thought they looked like, you know, little stars or whatever. But these are so cute. A little tip here, leave a little bit of room. These beads do expand after you put the water, but look at that, guys. It just kind of melts and disappears. For the other 2 vases, I'm just going to fill up a little bit of water in each one, and one of them I will put in a blue coloring and the other one red. And what I'm doing now, I'm just again sizing the stems, each of them, one for the red and one for the blue. Now this one was fun. I've never made this before, but all you needed was the tissue paper, the paper plate, some glue, hot glue, and I actually didn't get the footage. I'm sorry guys, but obviously I just got the tissue paper and I made a little flower petal. I just put some glue on the plate, a little on the bottom of the petal, and I just glued all around. I alternated all the colors. Again, you don't have to use this particular glue, any glue that you want really. I wouldn't use a hot glue on this actually, just a regular, stick glue, Elmer's glue. This is just clear glue. This is what I had. And I'll just alternate the colors along the plate. I'm going to make the center of the flower now. I'm just going to take some tissue paper. I'm going to alternate the red, white, and blue. I'm going to cut it. Now, I actually didn't have the red paper, so I got some of the scrap paper, but it does do the trick. I recognized here that it was a little long, so I just cut it so that it would be a little bit smaller. A little trick here is just to fluff out those little ends that you cut. This way you can see all the other colors in between. Use a little glue to adhere the ends, but you can use a little bit of the hot glue gun right on the bottom. This really helps it to stick well. All you need is just a little bit and a little on the center of the flower. Just squish that thing on there and boom, you got a beautiful flower. So here's another little tip. I turned it over and I just put a little dab of glue in between all the little petals. It really helped it to stay up and stay straight. How are we going to hang this thing up? I got a little string and I just glued that to the back. I think all of our items today came out fantastic, and our cookie definitely was delicious. It is no longer in existence. Well, I thank you guys so much for joining me in today's video. Here's another suggested video, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye, everyone.